Whoa. What'd you call me? A neat. I gotta finish up this. I was trying to turn the stream back on, and what do I want to call this? I'm gonna call this recording uh, how, like people call it how to use big tick energy. There you go. I'll publish that. Okay. All right, that'll do its thing in the background here, and I just gotta. I need to fix that banner thing, but there we go. Let's see if this stream's back on. I just got things I gotta do. What's going on here? There we go. All right. All right. I do need to get some food here soon. My screen should be running. RTY long. RTY. There you go. You just saw it. That's a good one. A little late, but that's a decent setup there. Um, I actually might be interested in this one, Paul. I'm a little late on it. I could probably put a limit back here. Let it come back and catch it. But this would be exactly what we were talking about there. You get a couple candles stop, especially this candle wicking back here. That's not the setup, but then all of a sudden you got another one that wicks up here. Now you've got a decent little setup there. I mean, your real entry is probably somewhere off the top of this candle, or even off the top of this candle. Which either one's still a little late, but that's a good that's a good eye. That's what you're looking for. Um, this while we were talking was the trade I've been fixated on all morning long, and I didn't get it. This GC with the wikis right there. Uh, that one missed. That was a miss too. So it's um, and we do need to do some lunch here in a second, but just give you guys a few minutes. Maybe we'll do. I'm just gonna run out and grab something and come back because I do want to trade this afternoon. I think we're gonna have some good trading this afternoon. So um, um, I hope that was help. How do I move people from? Oh, I guess Rusty did it. Thank you for doing that. Teach me how to do that, and I'll do that one day. Um, I'll send that. I'm gonna send that recording to Westy. Um, okay. Yeah. Well, one missed trade's not gonna be the end of the world. I really was excited about this one GC here. I like that level too. Now the 6E might crawl its way back up to an area I want to short it from. That might happen. And obviously, again, I'm looking at this. I mean, they're trying to break out of this daily. whatever you want to call it, box. I think you get the break out of that. We have a huge potential. I think we get the huge potential. I just again looking around, Paul. I think this the any deeper pullback across the board is uh, uh, or pullback on uh, anything but 6E. Any deeper rally we want to sell on 6E. I know that one got me. I was like, man, that would have been a great one too. Um, so why don't we do that? Why don't I just run out real quick, and let me go grab some lunch, and then come back and see if we can get some afternoon trading in. What do you think, Paul? You want to do that? I definitely need to eat. I need because of my eating schedule now. I gotta eat. So, um, all right. I mean, if anybody's gonna be here, I'll help you guys out some. Here, if you're not doing what I'm doing and going to get some grub, anything back down here with the oversold stochastics on the ES, here being like six-ish, 6 or 7, would be and it turns around with some candles that stop on the bottom. That would be a buy, and you could probably take that at the same time as an NQ at the same time as the ES if that happens. I would like the RTY back around this 89. Um, and I really like how the 89 works well um, with these, especially when you get a trending environment down. The 89 works really well. So. Well, you had 700, and I was using 500, and I was like, well, in the middle. Well, it makes sense to me because I didn't get the signal. I didn't see the signals I wanted on the 700, but I got too many signals on the 500. So 600 seemed like the good middle ground for me. I just did that yesterday. I thought I told you. Yeah, I thought I told you yesterday that it seemed to make sense there. So you got the long off the 89 if that happens. Long back down here around 6 or 7 for the ES, and if that happens, you could probably take the NQ off of that ES signal if that makes sense. If it doesn't, call a doctor. Um, that's supposed to be funny. I would pass on the GC for anything right now because you want to buy it. I mean, if you get back up here with overbought, and it's really small candles, you could take that short. But I wouldn't do it with anything but small candles like this. I wouldn't do it if it's making big candles. Uh, CL's got to be a deeper pullback now. You don't want to play out of this junk. So there's your game plan, guys. And then 6C, you got to get up here to S2 to even think about playing that again. All right, there's a plan if you guys are trading while I'm gone. I got to take a break. I am famished. I got to go get some food. Yeah, let me see. Oh, trusty. Why did I even start back going live? I don't know. That one person that's watching. Oh, whoever's watching knows that we're going on break, so I'll just leave it running. Yeah, pull up the break thing. All right, all right, kiddos. Unless somebody wants to see a specific chart, I'll just leave this in the middle of the break. Break. You guys tell me if you want a specific chart to be seen, and I'm gonna go do. Anybody want a specific chart for the break thing not to cover? Yeah, they got their own charts. Yeah, I'll just stick it over here. Nobody trades a 6E with me anyway, so me and 6E are friends. Okay, guys. See you back here in Yeah, we'll call it about a half an hour. All right. There you guys. See you, Paul. All right. Back paw. I have a long setting up here on the ES and the NQ. Um, I would let's see, get my bearings real quick. But Paul, where are you? This will all right. Let's look at it. There's a buy stop right there. Hey, back. This is, you have now entered this section of the show where Brian talks about what he had for lunch. Huh? Yeah. No, I didn't do the burger. My burger place is too far away. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I want to. I put a buy stop in on this ES. I like it, and I'm gonna do it on the NQ. Just look at see where my buy stop needs to be. It's a high of 866. 867 ish, close enough. I like it. It's set up pretty good here, doesn't it? Isn't it? Well, we're in. Let's see if it does something for me. Should probably put my stop in the right spot. Seems like a trade. I mean, it's one that's supposed to work. That would be what I would call uh, an A plus setup, wouldn't you? All right, that one's up. Get my target. One ticker. One ticker tricker. There we go. Let me get this target out of the way here. Target up there. I mean, I know we're getting lower highs, lower lows. Come on, NQ. Fill my. I'll take a lower one too. Fill my target. Fill my target. Come on, NQ. It's got it. Everything looks right on it, and it's a level on the ES. It's a pretty good level on the ES too. It's a really good level on the ES. There we go. Lighten up on the risk. Get my ES stop up. I should have just left my target was that on the NQ. There we go. How far are we into the stream? 52 minutes. Another winner. Stream 2. 52 minutes. ES and NQ. Long. I'll take it. Uh, we've been juggling around here all day, Paul. I mean, literally all day. But it did raise up to a new level and junked around. So maybe this will be one that runs. I mean, if you got to take a hard, if you got to take a hard target, it's where my it should be a couple ticks below my target. But I think we got because if this goes above what was that prior all-time high 13, um, we again I keep looking back here. We got some room up here. If and I said the same thing on that first long this morning too, right? It's got it's got. I mean, there's somebody building some steam on the long. So I mean, if it, well, I think if it breaks here, if it breaks this little area, this is where it would reverse. I think if it breaks right around here, so if you need a hard target, you need to be here. But if it, yeah, that's where your hard target's got to be. But I'm optimistic on this one, which I usually am optimistic. In the short term, but throughout the morning, it's been higher highs and higher lows. Yeah. I don't think I really don't in this environment. I don't think that matters lower lows, lower highs because it's you draw a box around this, and that's just yeah rangy, rangy. I'm gonna go ahead and get to a pretty much a true break even and just let her sit here. Let's see what. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm optimistic on my targets. If it breaks this little high, the last swing high, we've got a money trade on our hands. So we'll see here in a second. If it breaks that last swing high, hallelujah, we did good. Again, we did good. We done good. Did you get both of them? Okay. I'm gonna go up under this last wick on the ES here. That's a low of 625, so let's do 6 even. And I think we just kind of need to be behind this bar that just formed on the NQ. So I know it's got a lot of ticks left, but if that bar reverses, it's come all the way back down anyway. Right? I think I'm right. If this bar right here on the NQ reverses, it's coming all the way back down. Yeah. We can do what we were talking about in the training. We can look at that as a stop, but I think that's let's see, the 67.75. That's exactly pretty much where I'm at. There's really no other clear stop. So I'm so tempted to. I'm just gonna do it because of our conversation with Rusty. Did you guys get this? Do you guys get this? Tell me somebody got these trades with me and Paul. Can we start doing that? Just asking after the fact if people got trades. I don't think that's a big deal, is it? We're already in the trade. We got nothing else to do right now. No. You guys getting a piece of this trade? I hope somebody is. Rusty, you got it? Oh, let me take screenshots for the winning trades. Let's do a new one here. Oh, I ended up with all green accounts. I did not think I was going to end up with all green accounts yesterday. I did not. I had something in my because I had so much wiggle room on that eval that I was like, you know what, it's worth taking another shot on this one. Oh crap! You know what's wrong with me? Holy shit! Hold on a second. I might actually be past it right now if I'm in the right account. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! I took it in a different account. What a moron! No, no, I'm dumb. So the one I was so close to passing, if I would have taken it in the NQ, it would be passed right now. I did it in the ES. Oh well, it'll be passed. I'm not worried about it. If I just keep trading, rotating accounts, it'll get passed. Whether it's today or tomorrow, I mean, it's not like I try. I've gone to, uh, you've really made me turn a corner with these Profit counts. It's taking me some time. I gotta tell you, it's taking me some time to get used to them. But well, I think for a person who's never traded a profit count before, and I'm only on my 20th profit count ever, and half of those were ones I blew up just trying to figure it out. Um, I think that's pretty good. I had to change from cash to. I blew it. Well, that was my learning process on those first 7 or 8 accounts, evals. Yeah, I just had to adjust. It's like you adjusting to the bigger tick charts. Look, we popped through that swing high on the NQ. I think we need to be a little bit tighter. Maybe we go up to what 78, 878, something like that. I mean, if it breaks that ledge on the downside, then it's going to come back down. So it might do it on us. I think we're good here though. I think we're good. I just realized I got another one I need to get. Gotta get another account. Um, but no. Oh, there we're flat. All right, there we go. Another winning trade. We'll double top there. All right. Are we going to entertain a GC short? I'm, I think that today's going to be one of those. I wanted to get to the gym a little bit earlier than 4 today, but and we may just call it because it's such a slow market today. May just say do the old 2 o'clock timer if we market starts moving there. No, I'm good now. I got this one that's a whole 1250 red, and I got this one that's a zero that needs $67. Oh, yeah, I only have 2 accounts to trade, so I'm pretty happy. Definitely don't need to force it. Hmm. Well, I got two that are a little bit less than 1,000. A little bit over 500 on one, a little bit more than 900 on another. So they're both pat, passable in one trade. But like I was saying, I'm sort of treating the evals the same as the PA or cash or I actually have changed my cash trading a lot because of this. But again, it's all green though. I mean, I'm not upset with it. My win rate's gone up on my cash trades due to this because I'm copying them, and I'm only trading. I told you this. Well, sometimes I hit the yes, but I'm only trading the 6C, RTY, and CL with them, which have done really well for me over the past month. Primarily pretty heavy on the 6E though, because it's just 6E is just easy money for me. I just see it and it's levels. The level. Here's the thing I love. It's so structured. This is like it's just a structured vehicle. You see it like that, and you're like, oh, what is it? No, it plays the 89 like a fiddle. It downtrends perfectly. It uptrends perfectly. The levels I mean, like, are spot on almost always. Like, there's a level right there where my crosshair is. So, a lot of things I like about 6C. There's a lot to like about it. What most traders don't like about it is how slow it is. And I'm like, well, I think that's probably what you should like. I'm trying to push Jocap to do it because that would be his, and Tom and Jocap should do it. Just do more 6E. You definitely have plenty of time to think about it. You shouldn't be getting antsy on that one at all. It's it's still wait. It's the setup still waiting to happen. There you go. Hey, look at that. Let me find this level again. There's something down here around S2. Just a little, see that little wiggle right there. I don't really have a lot of data to look at. Nope. But you can do it with CL or GC. Those would be buttes. I think we're almost at the bottom here on the GC. I've got, I mean, 6E. We got to see it go a little bit higher than. Now that I'm looking at this right the way, I think we need to go a little bit higher than S2. But it is at the 89, so it does respect the 89 pretty well. Oh, I meant to put this level in. Somewhere. That's a level right there. If it got back up to there, I would short the living crap out of it today. Might be something here. I'll keep my eye open. It's just too big of a candle right now to trade. Um, I need to push up just a little bit more and then give me a good sell signal. I think the way today's going, if CL did that, I would do the same thing. And you got GC setting up for a short. Oh, that's one problem. Small bladder, small dog, small bladder. You get it? Did you kiddos catch some of that? Ah, GC. Do or don't do. Um, there's another candle right there on GC. Pop that up to a 700 and see what it looks like. Now you've got me a little more interested in this on the GC here. We'd have to take it there though. Do we want to look at this GC? That low is 21.3. Everything below there sold this morning. That was clearly a level of resistance at one point. So below there, I think it's going to keep going up a little bit more. No, there's no real signal. And go back down to a 500. I popped it up to 700, see if it looked any different. Still the same setup, same stuff. Oh, I accidentally did 600. Oops. Um, CL? Yeah, I think that's probably. I like that for the. I like it right now for RTY and GC. I don't know why I was popping back and forth between that. I'm not sorry. I meant RTY and GC. Ah, what is? You got comatose after eating food. Everything. It's by Rusty. It's like we gotta get Rusty to do. He would be perfect for this too. Like a Jack Handy Deep Thoughts, but for trading. Rusty would be great for that. Trading Thoughts by Rusty. That would be awesome. I think he would be a great. He's got that radio voice and everything. Getting codes from prop firms giveaway. Oh. I didn't even scroll up. Is it this? Okay. To do. I don't know how to. Uh, I I think I might entertain the CL short. That would have been a hard as heck CL long to stay in, but if a clean short sets up. Oh gosh. See, I just did it again. Close for a loss, you dummy. I'm trying to hit the maximize button and I hit the sell market button. That is so silly. Watch it turn around right here and make a decent sell signal. That was silly. Maximize. Maximize. So here's another interesting thing about CL that I just realized when I got back from lunch. A lot more bars a day than it's normally printing. So it's going through more contracts than usual, more trades, a little bit higher volume than usual in CL today. Um, the daily just screams opportunity for the long. I'm sitting here looking at a short, but I'll take what the chart gives me. Take what the chart gives me. The GC short sure does look like it's setting up there, but you still have to take it down here. Um, and I didn't want the big bar on the 6E. I wanted a couple small bars before I took the short. Um, I don't have. I don't. What is this? I don't understand. Like, am I the only person that when I change monitors or change something like Ninja Trader? NinjaTrader just changes all the settings on your charts. Like, okay, but it shouldn't mess with the stochastics. It shouldn't it shouldn't have given me back it should have given me back my like so I had a tab down here with ES and 6E because they're similar ATM like strategies. That didn't give me that back. I don't understand why that happened because I know I specifically saved the workspace before I switched to the new monitor. CL trying to set up a short, but GC is getting a little bit more tasty because you can probably look at the short here on GC. CL, you still kind of have to be down here. Let me look at the smaller tick chart and see what it looks like. Yeah, you'd still, I mean, like below. Um, I don't know. I don't know if I'm that excited about it. To be honest with you. I have been looking at Papillons all morning though. A little tiny one. I've watched a lot of small dogs for people. Huh? Grace hates small dogs. That's the crazy thing about it. I kind of want to do it just to screw with her. Oh yeah. Well, if you're somebody I know, no, you're fine. But if you're somebody I don't know, when she sees a small dog on the street, she's always like snarls at him, barks at him. She would. As soon as she realizes it's part of the pack, yeah, she'd be like, "Fine, I gotta deal with this little thing." I'd be worried about Grace killing her accidentally by jumping on her. But here, I also told the missus that when it comes time for a puppy, it's not gonna be one puppy. It's gonna be a little dog and another golden, obviously. I I All right, let me put this on a different account. I'm gonna put it on an account I haven't traded. I want to take this GC trade if it doesn't fill before. Yeah, that's too tight on my sell stop. Can't get it in. Shit. Couldn't get it in. Now I can do it. Sell stop. It's gonna put me in anyway. Same price you got in. Oh well. All right, do what you're supposed to do. Switch accounts. Maybe we should have went on the lower leg, like this candle, that candle right there. Yeah, yeah. Well, how about this? If this doesn't make, let's just kill it for a small loss and then put it down here at 22. Yeah, 22 even. Give it a couple ticks. I think that's a better option. Just take a small loss right now and then put it down at 22. You want to do that? I'm gonna do that. Let's do that. Let's make that decision now, quick, because that's a better little shelf there. Way safer entry. That's all right. I haven't traded that account today, so it'll be fine. Yeah, that's 22 evens. What I said, right? I mean, the chart says it's going to work out. And look at it; it's going to fill us again right now. But the big tick chart says it's supposed to work. Maybe we get some momentum on this one. Hey, a little momentum bar. Look at that, buddy. That'll knock that little loss out. Jump right back in. Good, yeah. That was 1 hour and hold on a second. This hour 19, 119. Yeah. Oh yeah. An hour 19. Okay. Don't come back and get my. Don't you come back and get my. Guess we could take a target or a. Oh no, I did take a target. I guess we could have tightened our thing up. I mean, because GC needs to be long. Oh, you are? Oh. And then longer up. Well, and again, I've been talking all day about this being a buy opportunity on the on the GC, a bigger buy opportunity. Well, I mean, it has sold from here a couple times recently too. So yeah, yeah, it's got potential to have legs either direction. Let's put it that way. It's got legs, and it knows how to use. This is why I trade. Oh, 6E, go up a little higher. Give me a little structure so I can sell you again. CL didn't give me what I wanted to see on a short. Although, we might could entertain a sell signal on the ES if you are so inclined. It's back up here. It's we're not seeing too much strife in it, and it's given a nice little spot to get in. It'd be nice if this candle came up and gave another wick up here like that. Finish me with a little hammer or a little doji. Yeah, so that finishes somewhere within this candle, and another one starts down. I can get on board with that. Reload historical data, maybe? I don't know. On. Hold on, what now? You guys are looking at the same ES I'm looking at, right? Well, my bars are blue, and you guys are talking about green and red bars. Just. No way. On the 2000 set? Huh. All right, let me do this. Nah, Rusty, on a day this slow, man, jump on and entertain us. Dude. Same as Brian is what dry cap means. Yeah. You guys don't have to call me coach anymore. Just call me shithead or something. Like the jerks dog. Ryan, or you can call me Ryan, Tom. Don't do that. That's the one name I won't take, Tom. Really? That's odd. How many days? Load different days. Do this. Load a different number of days. 20, I think, is what I normally do. What'd you do? Reload historical data or reload this? Oh, really? Disconnect all of them then. Yeah. That actually could be a thing, Paul. That actually could be a thing, Paul. Yeah. Sorry, go ahead, Rusty. Poor thing. That's the way? Yes. What was it I was talking about yesterday, Paul? Or I said yesterday we were taking care of first. It was oh yeah, my buddy's the lump on my buddy's dog side. Yeah. I'm getting interested in this ES short, people. You might want to look at it. Oh, we're gonna miss it. Oh well, I'll skip on it then. That's it though. No, that was it. You could probably get the NQ here on this little candle down here. Actually, there's a double top on the smaller tick chart for the NQ. I'm interested. I'm interested. You know what? I'm gonna switch this to an account. To that account, I just took that. Hey, this one. I'm gonna do this account. I'm gonna put a sell stop in below that candle on the NQ, and you looks like the ES. You could do the same thing now. Those are the same freaking accounts. I'm gonna switch that account now. I don't want to trade them both on the same account. Um, look at my chart. I'm trying. Yeah, I'm trying. So the low. I'm trying to change my thing. 12. Yeah, 12. 12. 12. I think. Yeah. I mean that's. Well, it got me. That's it. It's in. It says. I mean, again, it's a good setup. Two bars, stopped at the exact same price. Got the double top on the NQ. It's nice little double top too on the NQ. I think I'm a tick or two too loose on it. But there's your target. Target. Go get my target, NQ. Go. You can get my target. Okay, put that up a little bit. Go get my target. There's the target. Rat. I know what you're going to say. I know exactly what you're about to say. Run, RB. Run, RB. I've met you before. Give me the target. Get the target out of here. Come on. Go get my target. Go get my target. Go get it. I want it out of here. There we go. There we go. Oh, we're good. No, we're good. We're good. We're good. I can reduce some risk here and sit back and relax. This is here. Hold tight. Yeah, I just put it somewhere behind that the last couple ledges, last couple wicks up. It should be a tick looser actually, somewhere like that. Yeah, this is. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. 120. It needs to be exactly. It's gonna take us flat. That's gonna be a little loser for me on the NQ because I can't get my stop tight enough. So that high there is 97, so 98. 98's a good stop. 98-ish. Let's go like 98.75. It's probably a decent stop there. It's about the best stop you can get on that one. Oh, we might get it. Might do it. It might do it. It's probably about the best stop we can have on the ES right now too, until it moves further away from us. Killing it. Yeah. This was on the account that I was down on, so this is gonna be a little bit more down, but that's okay. Pretty much break even on the ES one. I tell you what, stall. I mean, look at it. The reason. I mean, here's the stall. I mean, it's sitting here on the 89 on the smaller tick chart. And back in the day, this is something I would probably bought. And yeah, flat on the ES. That's all right. Little tiny winner there. Little tiny winner. You said I had a tiny what? Tiny winner. You got a tiny winner. Tiny winner. Hold me closer, tiny winner. Oh, still in NQ. Hey, I thought it was gonna take me flat on that one. I wasn't even looking. I mean, guess we should have probably been a tick. Well, I still would have taken. If it breaks at 89 on the small chart, it's a trade. I'll be happy. Yeah. It's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. It's about to grab my stuff. I know. That's the only thing I can do that gives me the right amount of risk that I want to be in on that trade. Flat. There you go. Yeah. Coffee time. Hey. Um, it's about that time of the show where we did good. We did good. We did good. We have one of these. That's what we should do when we come back from break. Just do the air horn. Then everybody would know. I think our stops were just a little too tight there, Paul. I think our stops were a little too tight. I think I still have that one account that I want to trade this NQ on. This one? No. This one? No. Maybe I do want to trade it on that one. But we might have been just a tick tight on the stops. I don't know. I don't want to trade that same account two ones. So let me look at this differently. That one? No. That one? No. That one? That one? Maybe? I don't know. That one's green. That one's green. That group is green there. That group is green. I don't really have anything else I really want to risk right now, Paul. I got great. It's too slow today. It's so slow. I got these are the only two accounts. I got one 150 and one 200 something. That's it. Those are easy recovery, easily recovered. So, let's see. Rusty will smack me if I'm not on time for our meeting. So I do need to get to the gym at some point. I'm happy to be going back to the gym every day. Whoa, 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 whoa! You guys don't need to see my. It made that my main screen. The main screen is the main screen now. I put my WhatsApp up for a second there. I was gonna message you. That probably has something to do. That probably has something to do with my change in body structure as well too. That's probably has a lot to a lot to do with the combination of the peptides and that have a lot to do with the body composition change. I was really eyeballing that short on CL. I just couldn't pull myself to do it there. I mean, obviously it would have worked, and you wouldn't have taken much heat on it. But again, I mean, just look at just like this is a weird little chop, little chop down. It's like blocks. Looks very blocky. I guess you could have. No, that would have ended up okay. I should have probably looked at it again. It actually turned out to be a decent little entry. You would have taken definitely would have taken some heat, but gotta follow the big tick chart. Um. Uh. Yeah. I mean, maybe we hang out and see if RTY comes up with a short for us, or CL comes up with a long for a couple minutes. I know that's why I'm sitting here. Maybe we hang out a little bit for a little while, a little bit after two. See if this. I love that it's hitting the 89 right now. It's getting oversold. A couple wicks down here would get me a little, get me a little. I mean, and there's an area where people were exchanging. Yeah, a couple wicks down there. I think I would not hesitate to buy that CL. Still, that GC long when we were talking, or when I was doing the training thing, that GC long was my want. That was my want today. Did not get my want. But like the old timers say, you can want in one hand and just do something in the other and see which one fills up quicker. The brown rocks. What time is it? It's not 2 o'clock yet. I have to officially be done snacking on things at 2 o'clock. Yeah, like at 3:30. It's the peptide cycle that I'm more worried about because you release a growth hormone. Um, and that you don't want you want your insulin levels to be pretty low, so you have to wait like a couple hours after eating. I do, I do, I do. Well, you got a couple choices. You can do morning and evening. If you only want to do one a day, the best is the evening, but you still need to fast for 2.5 hours, 3 hours before that because you release the most growth hormone during your deep sleep cycle, and that kickstart like a huge amount of growth hormone instead of what your normal level would be. Um, and then anytime you're on an empty stomach without a lot of insulin in your body is a good time to take it. But morning is absolutely a great time. So I do just because on days that I work out really hard, I do three. One post workout on a fasted stomach, one in the evening on a fasted stomach, which is why my eating schedule has to be so rigid and regimented. Yeah, but on most days it's just like morning and evening, or just the evening, or just the morning, one or the other. Like yesterday, I did just the morning. but I had a lot of stuff going on. I mean, the idea is it works. It doesn't matter when you take it as long as you're on an empty stomach. The highest highest amount of effectiveness is before bed. All right. I think this CL is going to be something we're going to want to look at. I don't even think. I'm looking at it right now saying is this is a pretty well structured drop here. Only thing that scares me about this one is every push down has been linear. If does that make sense? On CL, and every push up today has been choppy. I don't know if that means anything. Even the Globex one, linear, choppy, linear, choppy, and every push down, linear, chop up, linear, chop up, linear, chop up, linear, chop up, straight down. Same here, linear. So I, I don't know if I don't think that means anything. Let me look at this. Go back to my old daily chart again and see what we think here. It's just that a little bit lower. I cannot not say that this is cannot not I can say is what I mean, but this still screams good buy opportunity. It really does scream just good buy. I mean, look, it screams great buy opportunity actually. I mean, could you imagine if we caught one like this on CL? One day like this, one day like that, one day, just one day of this bar right here. Ah, I'm done for a month. Okay. Anywhere from here down, I'll entertain the long. Preferably down. What did I want this morning? I wanted 80. What was it this morning? It was 80. I got it, right? Oh, yeah, I got it this morning. It was 80. It was this one. Down in 80. Yeah, somewhere down here. Oh, I got that one. That's what it was. And then it went lower and I missed the long. I got this long, got some money. Should have taken this long. That was one I missed. And that's around 86. So somewhere anywhere from 90 down to 85. Yeah, 90 to 85. I'm in. I'm doing it. You know, I gotta say something. I don't know if Rusty and Gray are listening, but I am extremely thankful that you guys showed up at the right time. I am so scared of this digital stuff. Yeah, you guys are amazing. Really, really, really awesome. You guys showed up at the right time. What? Stop calling me Ryan, Tom. Oh, I totally could see that looking like Rusty if that were a bigger dude. I needed that laugh. That was good. Yeah, yeah. I think it is, right? Yeah. Yeah. CL. I want it to be a little bit lower, Paul. It didn't quite get. I tell you what, if it well, there's a wick, there's a wick. We got 15 ticks. Now you're telling me that. So you're telling me there's a chance. Yes, studio disconnected. What? 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 lost my connection. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh gosh, I can't. I want to fix this. How do I make this display, the different display to my main display? Identify. I want a different one to be. Make this. Okay, never mind. Cool. Cool. Now, oh my God. What happened? I know I have an internet issue and I can't get it. I can't. You take it, man, because that's a and target off too. Dang it! Oh man, it happened just at my internet problem. That's not cool at all. All right, enjoy, 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 enjoy. Am I still streaming? Let me double check OBS. You said beers like it? I'm just screwing around. Beers, beers like it. All right, I got a question too, because I changed the audio output on the stream. Can somebody check and see if your voice is heard still? Did you hear your voice?